Hey guys, Renovating Renee here. Today I have something special planned. I am going to do spicy noodle challenge with my cousins. Yay!
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to our channels. I'm Renovating Renee.
I'm Fit for a Queen.
And I'm Typical Tink.
So today we decided to do a cousin challenge, which also is a spicy noodle challenge. Now, I'm not a spicy eater, but Victoria here loves spicy things, so she should be able to complete the challenge, right?
She should definitely complete the challenge.
I will.
So, I'm so nervous, you guys.
Tell them what kind of noodles you are eating.
Victoria and I are eating the 2 times spicy noodles.
Hot chicken noodles. And mine are going to be the hot and spicy soy noodles. So we've already cooked our noodles and we're about to mix them with the sauce. And mine is like an oil, so I know it's gonna be spicy.
Smells great.
It smells spicy.
Smells so good.
Don't look.
Did you have 2 packets? Because Victoria and I had 2 things.
Actually, mine only came with 1 packet, but I would like to use some of the spices that came in yours.
Oh, it says, what's it say?
It's just sesame.
Who do you think is going to tap out first? Which one of us? Really? Okay.
So you got everything mixed in. You're about to taste it and try it.
Here we go.
You can taste the spice immediately. It tastes good. It smells good too.
Don't tap out. Don't tap out.
One more bite.
One more.
Hey, do it. Let her baby do it.
You gotta do at least 3 bites. The minimum that we decided on was 3 bites. I think I've already taken my 2.
I don't think hers is hot.
Oh, it's hot. You can taste it afterward. My lips are hot.
Deuce.
I love it. It's good. Why are you sniffing already?
That's the booking.
Oh.
This is my 3rd one. Oh gosh.
I'm gonna share with you guys. Yum, yum.
Damn it. My lips are so hot. I can't feel my lips.
Now, honestly, my lips have gone numb.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna do my last bite. What bite is that for you too?
This is my 3rd one.
This is my last
She
bite.
done went crazy. She's delirious over here. No. Okay, Vicky, we should go further. Let's do 4 bites. Come on, I'm on my 4.
I'm sorry.
That's
almond milk.
You feel it? Yeah.
Did the milk help?
Yeah, it did.
My lips. Let me see.
You guys. It's so
I'm just
freaking
trying to see
hot.
if they look how they feel. Oh my god. Alright. He's still in.
So I tapped out. It was me.
Oh my god. I'm crying tears.
Shaking. She's shaking.
Ooh.
Okay.
It's so hot, you guys.
Who would make this?
But it burns so good.
Who would make something like that? Who would make something like that?
You know who would make something like that? I don't know if that was even a whole bite.
I'm down. I'm out.
Okay. Dang, that would have been a good laugh. It would have went quick.
So
They are spicy. They
Yeah.
spicy.
But everybody's sniffing.
it's so hot.
Oh.
I actually kind of like the flavor. You know how something can be so
The
hot,
flavor
but
is
it's so
good.
good.
Mm-hmm. The flavor is really good, but it's so hot.
And see, I challenged myself with nothing to drink. That's the G in me.
For some reason, I don't think yours. Bring me a fork because I want to taste
I want you
yours.
to taste mine. Here's a fork.
Girl,
No, here's a fork, please. Let her taste them.
I don't think yours is as hot as that.
How would you even know at this point? Okay, how would you even know?
I thought my mouth. No.
Okay. All right, now I'm gonna drink something.
What I do know is this is hotter than that.
Of course.
Oh my God.
I'm shaking you guys.
It's real good.
Ooh.
Let's talk about this. Who in their right mind would make something so freaking hot?
This was fun.
Honestly, you guys, I thought I would only do one bite.
Good challenge.
It's hot.
Ain't no way I can eat the rest of that. I don't know why.
Are you sure?
I can't eat it. The ice ain't working, the milk ain't working.
The next we're gonna do is wings. We're gonna do the 2 times spicy wings, and I'm gonna do cauliflower wings.
So, the Cousins Spicy Noodle Challenge was an epic fail. Bum, 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 bum. My mouth is still burning.
My lips are numb.
Ooh.
So guys, so what we've learned, this right here, it's hot. It's hot.
Flaming hot.
But we had a wonderful time doing this challenge. I am so surprised that I was able to do 3 bites because honestly, I thought I was only going to do 1.
Mm-hmm. I didn't even think she was gonna do the challenge.
Thanks for the words of encouragement.
You know, but I was there. I was with you.
I appreciate that.
I was with you all the way.
So, but I am surprised that Miss Spicy here tapped out.
Very.
I kept taking a couple of little bites here and there and everywhere, but I can't do this.
So we've been using, taking in different forms of ice. Like we drunk our almond milk. We took some regular ice out the ice tray, and we did some frozen treats. What we've realized is once the frozen treat,
Once it's gone,
the heat
is
keeps
back.
coming. It comes back again. It keeps coming back and back and back.
Yeah, so.
Until next time, you guys. Until our next challenge.
Yes.
Once again, I'm Renovating Renee.
I'm fit for a queen.
And I'm typical Tink.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Cousin challenge. Boom.
Boom!
I am going to do the spicy noodle challenge with my cousin. Renovating Renee here. I'm going to do the spicy noodle challenge with